Good morning, everybody. It's Tatiana and your Moscow weather report. Today is 9th of May, and here in Russia and in all former Soviet countries, we celebrate the Victory Day today. That's why it's a day off, and we are in our country house. The weather is nice but cold. It is 9 degrees Celsius, feels like 4 degrees. That means in Fahrenheit it's 48 degrees and feels like 39 degrees. Today we are waiting for a little rain in the second part of the day, and the bad thing is the birch is blooming, so all the allergy people are suffer now, extremely suffer. As I have read, it's 1,000 times more birch blooming in the air than it should be now. It's just one day. Yesterday we washed the car and look there, it's birch blooming. One day it has roof here, so for allergy people it's just terrible. So for some people it's not nice time, but we are okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.